Hi, this is Donna Svay. I'm just getting over a cold, so I may sound a little hoarse to you. What I want to do in this video is show you how easy it is to find someone's total LinkedIn profile from Resume Assistant, a new feature in Microsoft Word 365. Okay, so I've got our screen set up so that we see a LinkedIn profile of a friend of mine, Maxine Somerville. She's an HR executive in Washington, D.C. She's graciously given me permission to use her profile as an example in this video. And on the right, I have a blank Word document. So let's say that you are sitting down to write your resume and you're drawing a blank and you think, wow, okay, Microsoft Word has that thing. Okay, it's in the review menu. So you want to get to the review menu and it's in the far right, Resume Assistant. You click it and I've set it up to give us information on a chief HR officer type of LinkedIn profile. And we can look at this example, which is a pretty good one, or we can see more examples. Oh, that's interesting. It doesn't always work that well, but let's go with this one. Initially, this is a Chief Transformation and HR Officer 3-year role. Initially appointed as change advisor to new CEO to assist in diagnosing, designing, and driving changes to develop new digital capability and improve overall business performance. Gee, that's pretty topical experience. Let's read more. And you'll see that by clicking read more, it gives us the whole paragraph that Word has pulled out of LinkedIn. What if you wanted to see this person's entire profile? Or what if a person who didn't want to make much effort to write their resume wanted to lift this LinkedIn profile? Here's what they'd have to do. They'd have to go over to LinkedIn and take a few words, a string from what's been provided to them in Resume Assistant, type them in to the LinkedIn search box. Word will not let you copy out of Resume Assistant. I can't highlight something, as you can see, and copy it. I'm trying, and I can't. So you actually have to find a few words and copy them, and they have to go inside quotes. So I've preset this up with language from Maxine's profile. If we scroll down here a little bit, we'll see that in her first job, her first bullet point is stepped into HR leadership transition, met with each department head and other stakeholders, and established trust needed to proceed with major initiatives. You don't need to copy nearly that much information to find a profile. In this case, I used 4 words, and they do have to be a string. So stepped into HR leadership, and they do have to be inside quotes. Now, I'm going to search for profiles that have that language string in them. Wow, there's only one, and guess whose it is? It's Maxine's. Okay, so this is why I really encourage you to go to your privacy settings and turn Microsoft Resume Assistant off. Tell LinkedIn, no, you cannot use language from my profile in Resume Assistant. And that will probably prevent you from much plagiarization at all, because it's going to be so easy to for people who are willing to do that, and they do exist, to find resumes or LinkedIn profiles to use. Thanks.